All right, guys, we're starting a new math lesson, lesson 8. Okay, use order and grouping to multiply. It'll make sense once we get through the first lesson. All right. Okay. So this is session 2. It says use counters to model and find each product. Okay. Let me have counters on this side. Nope. So I got 6 times 2. Okay. I could have 6 groups, or 2 times 6. I could have 2 groups, right? With how many in each group? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever I'm writing, there you go. Okay. So what's the total? 12. I just have to count all of them. Okay. So 2 times 6 is 12. The factors are the same as 6 times 2. So what's 6 times 2? 12. It's just that this multiplication fact, okay, has 6 groups with 2 each. That's the only difference. Okay? All right. Just going to watch this little video here.
Multiplication can be thought of as the first number telling how much to take of the second number. So 3 times 2 is like making 3 groups of 2. There are 6 in total, so 3 times 2 equals 6. Multiplying 3 times 2 can also be thought of as making 3 rows of 2. Again, there are 6 in total, so 3 times 2 equals 6.
Sweet. Excellent. Go to page 187. It says Chad reads books at the library each week for 6 weeks. Okay. He reads 3 books each week. Okay. So let's do an array for that, just that right there. Okay. So he has 6. He reads for 6 weeks, and each week he reads how many books? Right? How many books? 3. So if I'm going to do an array, okay, how many rows am I going to need? 6. I'm going to need 6. 6 rows. 5, 6, and then how many in each row? 3. Okay. However, it says Mia reads books at the library for 3 weeks. Okay, and then she reads 6 books each week. So for her, if I'm going to do an array, how many rows am I going to need? 3. How many in each row? 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says, who reads more books at the library, Chad or Mia? What do you think? Okay. So Mia has 3 times 6, and Chad has 6 times 3. Who reads the most books? Or do they read the same? Yeah, because isn't 6 times 3 and 3 times 6 equals? Are you sure? Oh, wait. I just want this one. I don't want the total of both. Yeah. It would be 36 altogether, Chad and Mia, but they're asking you which one reads the most. Actually, they both do. They read the same amount. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. 3 times 6 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay. So they both read the same amount of books. Go to page 188. It says you can use equal groups to help you understand the problem. Okay. In our case, we used arrays, but that's okay. We can use equal groups. Okay, so for Chad, he had how many groups? For Chad, how many groups did he have? 6, thanks. And how many in each group? 3, so he had 18. But for Mia, how many groups does she have? 3, because she read for 3 weeks and 6 books for each week. Or just like we did, I gave you the example, we could do arrays. Okay. Chad had 6 weeks with 3 each, so I need 6 rows with 3 in each row. Mia had 3 weeks and she read 6 books in each week. Okay. So she has 3 rows with 6 in each. It says, what multiplication equation could you write to find the number of books Chad reads? So what was the equation that we did for Chad? 6 times 3, good. What was the equation for Mia? 3 times 6. Okay, 18, 18. And who reads more books? Okay, they read the same amount of books. Okay, explain how you could know that Chad and Mia read the same number. Well, without finding the product. So that means this. Look. So if I just have this 6 times 3 and 3 times 6, how would I know that they're going to have the same amount? Besides multiplying both of them, Lena. Okay, they both have the same factors. Look, 6 and 6, 3 and 3. Okay, the factors are the same. They're just flipped. They're just put in different order. That's it. Okay. Okay. So go ahead and do number 5, right? Number 7 for me. All right. Says Josie. Let's go over 7. It says Josie has 5 cups with 4 tokens in each cup. Ian has 4 cups with 5 tokens in each cup. It says draw a model to show how that Josie and Ian have the same number of tokens. Show your work. A model, just draw a picture. Okay, what strategies can I use? Just tell me. Equal groups or an array. Okay, so Josie has 5 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but Ian has 4 cups. I'll use another color for Ian. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Says that Josie has 5 cups with 4 tokens each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Ian has 4 cups with 5 tokens each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for Josie, it's 5 times 4. And for Ian, it's 4 times 5. How would I know that they actually have the same amount? JL? Okay, so the factors are the same, right? They're just in the place in different order. And I know that 5 times 4 is 20, and 4 times 5 is also 20. So they'll have the same. All right? Okay, look at number 8. It says Ashish and Jita each have a rock collection with the same number of rocks. Okay, Ashish has 6 shelves, okay, and his room to display all his rocks. He puts 8 rocks in each shelf. Okay, so how many rows am I going to need? 6. Number of shelves. 4, 5, 6. And how many rocks on each shelf? 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then Gita has 8 shelves, okay, to display on her rocks. She puts an equal number of rocks on each shelf. How many rocks does Gita put? Okay. So look, for Ashish, what would be the multiplication for him or her? 6 shelves with 8 rocks each. 6 times 8. Okay. What would be the flip of that? 8 times 6. So for Jita is 8 shelves. You said 8 times 6. So how many rocks are going to be on each shelf for her? For Jita? 6. So the question is, how many rocks does Jita put on each shelf? What is it? Just 6. Okay.